Hello everyone, this is Dr. Deepa Agarwal. I am a senior consultant pediatrician at my own hospital, Gurugram. Greetings from Shishu, a beautiful space where we discuss everything related to our little ones. In this breastfeeding video, the last in my breastfeeding series, I will discuss the concerns which the working moms have related to breastfeeding when they get back to office. Most of the working moms are anxious and skeptical whether they'll be able to breastfeed when they get back to office. So this video is for all of you moms. Common concerns which the working moms have is it possible to breastfeed when I get back to office? Whether it is possible to balance both breastfeeding and work? How do I store my breast milk and for how long can it be stored? And then how can we give the stored breast milk? And what is the best formula available in the market in case I'm not able to breastfeed? Coming to the first concern. Is it possible to breastfeed? Yes, definitely. Why not? With a little bit of planning and preparation, it is not impossible to manage both work and breastfeeding together after a few months. You just need to invest in a good breast pump, which can either be a manual breast pump or an electronic breast pump, and that breast pump can be used to express milk when you are at office or at work, and then that expressed milk can be used to feed your baby by the caregiver available at home. Now you would ask me, how do I store my breast milk? For how long can it be stored? Now I will give you certain tips which will help you in successful expression and storage of the breast milk. Now when you join office, always pump once you leave for your office in the morning so that that milk can be used when you are not available at home by the caregiver available. If it is possible to come back during the break hours, say if your office is nearby, then you come back, then it's feed your baby once during the break hours, it's wonderful. Otherwise, you need to pump once during your 6 to 8 hours of office shift and store that milk in the office refrigerator so that it can be used later on. It is a good idea to store the breast milk in glass or steel bottles. And always label the bottles in terms of time and date with the help of a sticker or a marker so that the oldest milk is used first. Because once the milk is thawed, that means it is taken out from the freezer, the milk should be used within 24 hours. So it is very important to use at least 4 to 5 bottles for storing the milk of different days, so that once you take out one bottle, that milk is used in the next 24 hours and others are safe. You cannot refreeze the milk when you have taken it out from the freezer. So how do you give the stored milk? You should not directly heat the breast milk when you take it out from the fridge. Just before around 20 to 30 minutes before the feeding time, take it out from the freezer so that it comes to room temperature, and then keep that bottle or jar of breast milk in a bowl of hot water to heat it. And before feeding your baby, always check the temperature of the milk on the back side of your palm to know whether it is just warm to touch or not. So now you would ask me, how long can you store the breast milk? Now on a room temperature, that is 25 degrees, the milk can be stored for around 4 to 6 hours. In a normal fridge, you can store it for 24 hours. In the freezer of the routine home fridge which is available, it can be stored for around 2 weeks. And in a deep freezer, that is -8 to -9 degrees, it can be stored for 6 months. So I believe with all this knowledge and information and your patience and strong will, there is no reason that your baby should be devoid of the most nutritious milk which is available. Now, so stay happy and enjoy your motherhood. Now the next query which the parents have is, what is the best formula which is available in the market in case the breastfeeding is not successful? First, let me tell you one thing. Breastfeeding is tricky and it takes some time for both the baby and the mom to adjust. But ultimately, almost all moms can breastfeed their baby if they want to, if they have the right knowledge and information of how to do it, along with the support of family and a good lactational consultant to help her in case any problem arises. Breast milk is species specific, tailor made and nutritionally adequate for your baby. So no formula available in the market can match the unique properties which a breast milk have, no matter what amount of vitamins, minerals and supplements are added to it. Still, if you need to choose a formula, what I suggest is to the parents is explore the market, study the market for the available options which are available, and take a decision themselves and choose a brand which suits their baby best in terms of the digestibility issues, and also it suits their pocket also. Because a pack of formula lasts for around 4 to 5 days if the baby is exclusively on the formula milk, and one pack usually ranges from around rupees 400 to rupees 1000, so it does drastically hit the pocket. So decision and choice is yours. I hope I am able to solve all your queries and concerns related to breastfeeding in all these videos, and just wish that I am able to give you strength and motivation to breastfeed your baby for at least 6 months to 1 year, because it is the best gift you can give to your baby as a mom.